Hi, David here. I'm visiting my best buddy Frankie. He's setting up the band.
One, two, test, test,
was
test.
it herringbone?
Test. One, two.
Was that T-bone or herringbone?
Huh?
Rhythm bone.
No, we're not rhythm bone. We're Peabody and the Waybacks.
And here's Jay Cornick. I used to know Jay Cornick from high school. Check him out. The wind is jacking them up today, but check out these old cars that are also. He's got this Ford with this awesome license plate number. I probably ought to blur it out, but I'm not going to do it because I don't know how to do it. But check out this engine bay. Look at the paint job on this car. This is my favorite color. Nice interior job on here too. Check that out. Immaculate bed. Looks like one of those paint-on bed liner things, but they're very effective. We get around to the sunlit side. There we go. Here's another car. I don't know what this is.
212 222 1 2. Check 2.
Oh, it's a Packard. Is it okay if I video your car?
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, I already did it already, so I mean, but if you say no, you could send me to jail.
You can open it up.
Can I? I'll get in. I'll do the sunlit side. Isn't that nice? He's letting me open the door. Oh, I love that dashboard. Check that out. Check out that Packard emblem. Okay, it's got some modern stuff in here, but that's okay. It's got the GPS, the new radio. Oh, check out that steering wheel with the Packard logo on there. Man, nice touches in there. I love cars with running boards anyway. Let's get a shot of that engine.
1 2 1 2.
Oh, with the Chevy engine in there.
1 2.
Awesome.
Yeah, Cruise is nice.
How long have you owned this?
I've had this about a year.
1 2 3.
Still got the 64 Ford convertible. How you doing?
Man, this place is like a candy store.
I'm looking for her dad. Hold on.
Yeah, I guess like.
Trying to do it consistent. I wish you would fly, but you know, if you don't want to move, don't move. But I am trying to get Chevy in here to kind of run what I'm trying to do here. No, now it's open. No, we shouldn't have done that. So I love it that you're here, guys. But we're in charge.
Yeah, because I think this looks like
the front desk. Check it out, girls.
What's this piece of crap doing here?
They let anybody in this car show, don't
The
they?
International Scout Department.
You're it.
Yeah, try to park up there. Is there better spots?
Just park in the shade.
Shade pretty soon.
Let's see. I don't think she's here.
You guys.
Well, she was behind.
Special.
What's that, Dave? Awesome!
Thank you.
Voodoo Monster. Awesome.
You know this, David? Drywall has a car wax that's like thousands of dollars for a jar. Did you know that?
I don't know. I've never heard the price, but I know that they
Yeah,
have some high-end
thousands.
stuff. And I've been using only these products, like I said, on my daily drivers as well as this for the past 2 years. So it's good stuff.
So Barry, did you get a Woody over this Woody?
Yeah. Yeah. Dr. Beaver.